問下咧，你覺得今次幫手有啲乜嘢得着啊？
我喺呢度幫手就係佢有啲情緒管啦，學到情緒原來都有好多種唔同嘅表達方法咯，即係我介紹呢個活動嘅時候就有識到好多詞語。
I can interact with people who talk in Putonghua, some talk in English, some talk in Cantonese, and it actually gives me this great opportunity to practice to speak these three languages, interacting with different people with different backgrounds and culture, and it's actually quite exciting.
我哋做幫手嘅時候咧，就要招募人啦，咁就要大膽啲揾啲同學同佢哋介紹咁樣咯。
未試過可能係會有少少驚嘅，但係你裝咗之後，你會覺得真係有得着咯。
你覺得 Rest Hub 係一個點樣嘅地方啊？
舒服嘅地方，可以令人放鬆嘅地方啦。因為其實我哋去到 Rest Hub 啦，入邊都有好多唔同休息嘅地方，例如有啲豆袋啊，或者係有啲 sofa 咁俾大家休息下。
即係上堂上到悶，但係中間天地堂可以去過去做下嘢 hea 下都好舒服啊！